12.3. Check point 3. Hey everyone, it's the Tuesday 29th of November, and we are just doing a quick live here on market action, looking at the Nifty futures. So we're looking at the Nifty order flow chart, currently at 18,766, and we've had a similar kind of open as we saw yesterday, with the markets at an important level, 18,755. This is an order flow chart you are looking at, and we can see that the early morning demand is no longer there, and the market is hesitating around that 18,760. So this is a quiet period in the market. I just thought, okay, it's a good time to quickly go live and analyze market activity for you, right? So what we're looking at is the past 3 days, and as you would know, based on the market profile, value is what we trade. Price is just a perception which the market gives us, and if you can look at those last 3 profiles on the charts, we've had a series of value going higher. In fact, even today, of course, it needs to settle at 330 today, but we are in the process of creating value higher again today, right? And as long as value keeps going higher, you can know for a sure fact that buyers are the one who are running in control, right? So earlier yesterday, in fact, earlier this morning, we've had that responsive buying setup which we spoke about, and we were expecting the buyers to show up around that 650, 670 level. Is what we were looking at, and that was the zone where the initiative activity happened yesterday, and so far it's been a smooth 100-point ride up in the Nifty, and we've gotten to about 1870, 760. Now this is a very decisive level right here, and much depends on what the buyers do. Yesterday we had a round of responsive selling, just come in a bit lower than where we are, but the buyers yesterday also were not able to push the market above this zone. So look to see if we can get a round of IBs over here, initiative buyers. If not, responsive players would also do the job for buyers, but we do not want to see the kind of red we are seeing on screen right now. This lack of demand is not really gonna help the market to move up. So technically, I'm on the look for about a lot of buying to come in at about 18,750 odd levels, and if that happens, okay, the market has got a smooth ride right up to about 18,920. Maybe Thursday, maybe Friday. I'm not really clear, okay, on what that is. But it also depends, okay, on what we do in the G period right now, and of course the all important K period also. Yeah. So that is the market profile perspective. I'll just share another screen with you where we're looking at the market profile on MP Lite, and that is all that is to it, right? See, the A singles, okay, which were created yesterday, would tell you, okay, that the response at the lows has been super strong, and we're seeing, okay, those similar A singles right up to about 18,720, right? And yeah, D was making a higher high, but so far not much is been happening post that movement in D, right? So that's there, and this is the weekly series. We of course, okay, clock the weekly series from Friday right up to the Thursday, and so far this is, okay, what has happened, okay, in the week, right? And today's move is right here, right next to it. So the probe is still upwards, value is still being created higher, and you can, okay, expect, okay, responsive buyers to come in at the dips. It's a dip buy market, and wherever, okay, you see previous buyers, when you watch that auction the next day, you need to be looking at responsive activity to come in here. So as a golden rule of order flow, we know, okay, we spot initiative buyers, but those initiative buyers, okay, need to see responsive buyers the next day also, in the next session also. Something like that, okay, we saw earlier today at 18,670. In fact, that is still the day low. And when you're prepared, okay, for that kind of an activity, you see the initiative buyers and you see responsive buyers appearing at the same spot. Those are trades, okay, which you can take, okay, with about 95-96% certainty. Very easy, okay, to get those kind of trades going, right? This is the bank nifty, and it's not really, okay, doing, okay, the job it was supposed to do. I highlighted, okay, a level of about 43,370 earlier. Just let's load this chart up. So yeah, so this is of course the daily. Yeah, okay, so we have the full profile over here. So what's our worry is those A singles, okay, on 25th of November, which were initiative in nature, and the market, okay, at the bare minimum, okay, needs to take out these A singles. If you can see, I don't know whether you can see my cursor move on screen, but these A singles, okay, is the bare minimum the market has to take out. It looked like, okay, it would do it, but still, okay, it's struggling, okay, a bit in terms of getting more buyers to support the auction over here. I'll still be bullish as long as that mentioned level of 43,360 is holding, and we basically, okay, been around that zone right now, right? So that 43,350 360 zone is where, as a buyer, you would expect the market, okay, to get responsive activity, but it needs, okay, to clear out these A singles quickly for it, okay, to keep moving higher. So that's that, guys. Okay, keep it, okay, simple. One more thing, okay, which is the Fin Nifty, and it's a derivative of what is happening in the Bank Nifty. So something similar, okay, the Fin Nifty was also, okay, moving up, and then again the same thing, okay, till D period, which is the period till about 11:15. We've seen activity, and we have not seen much of initiative buyers come in. So look, okay, at what happens in the G period, and see, okay, how the market, okay, gets going in terms of new demand coming in. Okay, what else? So in terms of the option activity, which is the charts, okay, which you would see on screen, okay, we're going to be having these release to all of you on MP Lite in the next few weeks, but this is basically okay us plotting the options okay for you. So the put call activity, what is going on in the options market? So as that Bank Nifty lows, let's look at where the Nifty is. So So the purple over here, okay, is all the puts which are ruling the day. Of course, okay, we've seen a lot more on the put writing side, and the green, okay, is where the calls are writing. So not much, okay, activity in terms of call, and this is the net, okay, which is happening. As long as this white keeps streaming up, we know, okay, that the buyers are running, okay, the market right now, right? So as long as, okay, the put option writers are controlling and they don't, okay, throw in the towel, okay, this market is expected, okay, to keep rising up. Same thing in the Bank Nifty, except, okay, in that last 30-minute break, we've had, okay, some of the put writing come off. The call writing, okay, is increasing, and you can see, okay, this white line, okay, started sloping downward. So that also tells you that from the option side, the option market is not really, okay, working it out, at least in the Bank Nifty right now. Okay, so here is the Nifty futures again. Let's see if I can pull up a Bank Nifty chart for you also. So this is the Bank Nifty.